toilets, they find loads and loads and loads of plastic, and even they find it in their intestines.
I'm Harry from Barry, and today I had lots of fun seeing the sizes of all the sea animals, because I never knew that blue whale was actually this big.